Holy shit.
Do you think it's ever gonna let up?
Nope. I was just...
Well, I mean, the sun there, so it's gonna let up eventually.
Oh my god, what's Kayla? I've never seen it before.
That's not Calgary before. Hard rain though. Hard rain. That was a terrible video game.
Go outside. Let's see you do it. Go run out in the rain. Let's see it. Go all the way across the street and back. Come on, do it. Do it. If you do it, I'll do it. Now we go inside and out the door.
You can still stay dry on the porch.
What?
You can still stay dry on the porch.
What is this? What? You don't want to get wet? Why not?
Calgary? Yes, I am.
What?
In Calgary, a thunderstorm is a very rare event.
Go for a walk? I want to get a shirt. We'll go back. You know what? We'll go back. This is horrible rain. It was flooding even better rain. It was. That shit was fucking crazy. This is too funny. You can still tan in this.
Yeah, you take your sun's out.
Yeah, you just go get wet and then fucking sit outside and tan. Yeah.
I thought you said you were gonna run out in the rain.
Well, give me your sweater.
Oh, it's staying up.
Now it's like dying down. Do it, Cody. Walk out there.
No.
Why?
Because I'm holding a $400 camera?
So you can put it right inside the house. What? What?
It says the rain feels neat.
Where?
Well, I do need to shower today. But I have your phone, so. What? Where? Why didn't you go over here? Where's the rainbow?
Are you guys seeing this rainbow?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
There.
You can't see it?
No, I see it. It's pretty
You
faint, though.
look taller without your hair. I don't know why.
It doesn't even make sense by any means.
Weirdest people ever. I'm standing on half of it.
I'm admiring.
He's taking pictures. Don't smoke again.
Having the rest of my other half.
But we're going inside.
I admire the rainbow till it goes away. They don't always exist. It's very faint at the top.
Dude, don't get me in the picture.
Get out of my way.
I was actually out on the street first. Thank you.
Thunderstorm while it's sunny. I used to love such showers when I was a kid because my parents said I could go ride my bike if it was thundering, but I was like, Mom, it's so sunny. Sun showers were the best.
Son, what?
Sun
The
showers.
water's not deep enough. We're not going to drown in the flood.
I don't know, if you want deep puddle action, you might want to go to the gutter.
Look at that. Almost. Yeah, right there. This thing. This right here. Dude, did you get me in the